This is UV line by Servotech. Let me show you how it works. With the press of a button, you will be able to sanitize your hands in less than 10 seconds. Just point it at your hands and follow the instructions. It's really easy. In daily life activities, we encounter unconscious situations where we touch things that contain tons of bacteria and novel viruses that affect your daily life. Millions of people during rush hours touch things like this and this. Unfortunately, we do it as well, and we end up sanitizing our hands too late before you do this. With UV Lens Sanitizer, you have the power to avoid this at any time, all the time, on time. No more mess up like this or polluting our beautiful world like this. With our brand new property technology UV lens, we are able to use our smartphone's flashlight that produce billions of powerful photons that translate into UV wavelengths. UV lens is configured to target all surface bacteria and viruses and get rid of them in less than 10 seconds. We like to encourage the world towards the healthier and happier.
Welcome back to Servotech Power System Limited. Today in this video we are unboxing our handheld 6 watt UVC lamp. In the last video we did unboxing of our 36 watt model. If you want to check that out, the link will be in description. This handheld lamp comes into two colors, black and blue. There are some technical specification, instructions and warnings at the back of the box. Let's go ahead and open this box to see what's inside. We have the lamp here, instruction manual which has all the details on how to use it as well. Couple of double tapes cut out in the shape of the lamp, and a charging cable. The charging cable is a micro USB, so you would not find it difficult to replace. Now let's have a look at the lamp. It has a very solid feel and it should be, as it is made out of metal. We have the charging slot here and a couple of buttons in the front. The first button is the child lock button, and then we have our charging indicators, and the button on the right is the power button. At the back of it, it has a warning which says don't look directly at the lamp. This lamp has a chargeable battery which makes it really portable, and it can sterilize places like your bookshelves. This tube emits UVC wavelength of 254 nm and it is being protected by this aluminium frame. This lamp can sterilize up to 5 to 9 cubic space at one time. You can see the Serv Control logo, which is a brand of Servotech Power System Limited. I really like the build quality of this product. It is very sturdy and suitable if you are traveling with it. Now let's see how to operate it. Before you use it, you have to unlock the lamp by pressing the lower button for 5 seconds. And after that you will see the charging indicators turned on. Then you press the power button and place it where you want to sterilize. It will take 15 seconds to power up, so you can avoid looking directly to it. To turn off, simply press the power button on the right and don't forget to lock the device by pressing the left button for 5 seconds before you keep it away. I hope you like this video, and if you are interested in purchasing this product, you can find the shopping link in description. Thank you so much for watching.